Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 678 Holly Avenue in Rohnert Park. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. Let's go in and take a look. This home has been completely remodeled. And they put a really nice modern twist on the home. So you come into the vaulted living room, a couple steps up here. Really nice open concept here. And I think I'll start this way. Into the in-dining kitchen and the beautiful, completely remodeled kitchen. So these are navy cabinets, a nice high-end refrigerator. I believe they call that waterfall countertops that go down the side. And the dining room, which looks out into the backyard. So I'm just gonna stand back so you can really just see how beautiful this is. Just stunning. And family room. This is a really nice size family room and open to the kitchen, living room above. Really just nice separate areas, but still open. Backyard, large deck, and on the other side of that fence is a open field. So no neighbors looking in on you. Here's the first bathroom, shower, vanity, nice mirrored over the cabinets. This is the bedroom downstairs with mirrored doors and laundry. Access to the 2-car garage. And it's nice, it's finished, so it's really clean feeling. Now we'll go upstairs and look at the bedrooms. So back to the living room and front door, up the stairs. To the right is the primary bedroom and bathroom. So again, nice vaulted ceilings. Updated bathroom, new vanity, tub and shower. And this closet is really nice. Has mirrored doors, and there's another set on the other side. So, another updated bathroom. Really nice and modern. And then the last is the 2 bedrooms, and they face the front of the home. So again, this is 678 Holly Avenue in Rohnert Park. Thank you so much for watching.